What's up, traders? How y'all doing? This is USDT, and I'm going to be making an analysis on this video on this project right here on this chart, right? So the very first thing you want to acknowledge is the fact that we're actually on a weekly time frame, and the major reason we're doing this is to understand the entire order flow of the market. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Now, first things first, we want to actually figure out if we have a change of character somewhere, somehow. But before then, smash the like button, hit the notification bell icon, share this video with your loved ones and friends, sorry. And yeah, keep following MJ Crypto. So right here we can see we have something like change of a break of structure to the downside, right? Good. We have a break of structure to the downside. I'm just going to call this. We'll call this BOS. Put this in red. Put this in the middle right here. So our BOS right there, break of structure, showing you that there was a continuation to the downside. But there again, this lower high was taken out completely. And then we had a change of character. So right there we can see that we have a change of character. And just put this so it aligns with the what we have exactly. So good, we have a change of character right here. I'm just going to call this chalk, put this in blue because it's a bullish change of character. Right, good, amazing. So you can see have a change of character. Good. Now the next thing I actually want to do is to figure out what the daily time frame is saying, because with the daily time frame we can now understand where the current trend is. As it stands now, this coin is about to have a reversal to the upside. This is weekly time frame and this is USDT. So we're about to have a reversal back to the upside. So I'm going to go over to the daily time frame. I have to go over to the daily time frame if there is any such thing as a confirmation to the upside. Now you can see right here, let me just show you. You can see right here, price came back again somewhere around here to what? Find a support, made another lower high, higher low, and then about to make higher high around this point here. You can see it. So if we do close above this previous high, actually a lower high, if we do close above this lower high right here, then it is a clear indication that we are now having a change of character. So let me just make this very clear. If we do close above this, on the daily time frame, so if we do close above this, then that will be our confirmation that we actually have a change of character. Okay, so now something I always teach, I'm not going to expose it right here in this video. Get the SMC course for yourself so you understand everything that I'm doing. It's not magic. All right, good. So I'm going to go over to the 4-hour time frame where we can actually take our entries from. At the 4-hour time frame, you can see price has already closed above the previous lower high, and we're actually going to be making looking for buys. Okay, why? Because the weekly time frame is showing us that the asset is bullish, right? So we're going to be looking for buy opportunities, but at what zone, at what area? Now we can be looking for buys somewhere around here, somewhere around this zone, somewhere around here. Let me just mark it out. Somewhere around here, because we have a fair value gap somewhere around here. Okay, can also look for another buy opportunity somewhere around here, somewhere around here, which is an order block. All right, good. Another block shows you that there are actually some sort of high amount of volume coming out from that zone, right? High sum of money coming out from that zone, right? So good. So we can either look for buy opportunities from these zones that I've just made mention of right now. So within this area, okay, within this area should be our order block. Now, why is this our order block? Because this is the zone that actually caused this break of structure, this change of character that we see right now on the 4 hours time frame. This zone right here, 6.2 to 6.3, is the zone that actually caused the break of structure to the upside, which is the change of character. Okay, change of character. So basically, we can start looking for buys at these zones. All right, so that's just all you need to do. And the next target for this project, let's go back to the weekly time frame right now. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Next target should be around the first target actually should be around here. Price is going to come up, okay, to take out this guy right here. This should be the first target, okay. So 7.931 TP. I'm just going to put this 7.931 TP. 7.931 on the weekly. All right, amazing. 7.931. That's the first TP1. Then our TP2 is going to be somewhere around, let me see, somewhere around, let's go back to daily now and see if we have some sort of imbalance. Although we have an imbalance right here, anyway. Price needs to fill up that gap. Which is somewhere around here. Okay, price needs to fill up. This gap is not filled yet. See it? It's not filled yet. Just put this into context. So this gap is not filled. Price needs to fill it up. And then another zone where price needs to fill up is somewhere around here. Let me just check the monthly time frame now. Check the monthly time frame. See what this is. So you can see the monthly time frame have some huge imbalance right here. Price will come around this zone to fill it up, right? So we should start seeing price getting up to $10. All right, for USDT, start seeing price get up to $10 for our TP2. Right, start seeing price get up to that zone, TP2. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you what may likely happen. And then price will also get to this point. Just showing you now. And take this off. Price will also get to this point where we have, you know, a major shift that caused an imbalance. This was what caused the imbalance. This has been filled, but not 100% filled. Good, so perfect. You see, so this has been filled. So the reason why price will also get to that point is because that imbalance caused the break of structure. You see it, and the reason I'm targeting imbalance is because I'm using the higher time frames. If I was actually using 4-hour time frame, I would have used other blocks, but this is institutional trading. Okay, so a change of what do you call it now, break of structure. Break of structure happened somewhere around here. Yeah, break of structure happened somewhere around there. And just put this in put this in red, right? POS. Yeah, so a break of structure happened somewhere around there, and that was the imbalance that caused that break of structure. So we should be targeting here finally before our major next move happens, somewhere around $19. Okay, all of these TPs, this TP1 is for like immediate short term, but the major take profit is around $19. All right, around $19. Why? Because this is the major structure. Let me just show you. This is the major external swing point. This is the major external swing points right here. This right here, this box. That's the major external swing point that caused the downward move, right? So we should be targeting that zone, and there's an imbalance there, so we should target that zone. So we're gonna knock this off, and yeah, that's the analysis for USDT. So where do you take your entries from? Take your entries from the 4-hour time frame. I've said take your entries from this point here. This is your point of interest. This is one POI. This is one POI right there. It's another POI. Another POI. So this should be your major points of interest around these zones, right? I've done the analysis and everything. This is gonna work perfectly. The internal structure is aligned with the external structure, so therefore a change must occur. Sign up, get the Smart Money Concept course, so that you practice every single time with all of these strategies. You can't miss it. So keep practicing, keep making money while you keep trading, guys. It's very simple. Cheers. I love you so much. One love.